According to the Wall Street Journal, the same location data that is generated by your phone and used by advertisers to send you ads is being employed by the U.S. government in the fight against COVID-19. Data from smartphones is being analyzed by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) and sent to the federal and local and state government. Those familiar with the program say that the information shows the locations where people are hanging out in certain areas. The data is provided by the advertising industry and the name of each phone owner is being stripped from the information. But there are fears. Even though the information is anonymized, it could be paired with other publicly available information to identify who belongs to certain data points and track them. Location data can determine the places that are subject to a COVID-19 outbreak. The hope is that by analyzing the location data, the U.S. government will learn how coronavirus spreads and how to stop it from doing so. The information taken from the location data is so specific that it will give authorities the names of stores, parks, and other places where people are congregating and could be spreading the virus. For example, analyzing location data led researchers in New York to discover that crowds were migrating to Brooklyn's Prospect Park. Local authorities were given the information and posted warnings in New York City parks. Still, to be sure, Prospect Park remains open even though it is in the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak in the U.S. Governments are using phone-sourced location data to track locations that could face an outbreak of COVID-19. How the government is using location data to track COVID-19. Governments are using phone-sourced location data to track locations that could face an outbreak of COVID-19. As you can see, the same technology that upset you because it was being used to track your movements can also be a lifesaver. The information not only warns authorities where the coronavirus is possibly being spread, it also allows them to see which areas are being hard hit economically by measuring the drop-off in traffic at retail stores. It also measures how well citizens in a specific area are complying with stay-in-place orders.